Hello everyone, my name is Khánh. I'm 13 years old. I'm from class OD5 from CC Gozai. Today I will tell you two parts in the book, Materials to Products. The first part I want to tell you is the first materials. A very long time ago, people didn't build home. They made things from things they discovered or found nearby them. So, what did they make and what materials did they use? The first material they used were flint and fir. Flint is used to make the first tools in the world. They use flints in the hand or fix them to piece of wood or animal's bone. In cold country, they use fur to make clothes and shoes to keep warm. The second materials is wood and plants. People use wood and plants to make home. Actually, it's not a home. It's just a place where people can sleep. They use wood to make the shelter's shape, but that's not all. They also use other plants to make roof and walls. Grass are used to make basket. Even Vietnamese can make a basket boat like this. It's really helpful and it can float. The third material is clay. About 10,000 years ago, people started using clay to make adobe. Adobe is a material that is dry from sun. When it's dry, it's hard and people can make home like this. But it's easily be damaged. And people still use this method to build house today. The fourth materials is bronze and iron. Some rocks have bronze and iron inside. About 8,500 years ago, people knew how to separate rocks and bronze or iron. The first metal people use is bronze, and later they use iron. The last material I want to talk about is stone. About 5,000 years ago, people started live in big towns made of stone. They built stone walls around to protect the towns. Stone is stronger than adobe and cannot be easily damaged. It also waterproof too. The second part in this book I want to talk about is the seventh part, finding materials. Many materials is hard to find. How can people find them and let us use them? The first method is seeing underground. Geologists study about rocks and go underground and see what inside it. Scientists also use trucks, electricity, radio signals to discover and track the rocks that have minerals inside. The second method is drill. Drill is a tool that can make holes underground. Geologists study rock and then use drill to dig rocks into small pieces and collect them. People use drill to take oil from them. They make holes called oil wells and use pump to take the oils out. This is an oil platform. It is used to get oils under the water, but it's need to be very deep and strong because getting oil under the sea is hard. The third method is mines. Coal is a black material that used to make heat. People dig mines to get coal and other material. Big mines are called open cast mine. Those mine is huge and need destructive method to break rocks to find materials. Underground mines needs miner to explore it. Miners is a really dangerous job because miners can hurt themselves or they can be died. The last method is using water and soil. Salt is a mineral that we use for cooking and lots of things else. People get salt by putting seawater into pools and wait till it's sunny. When it's sunny, people can collect salt now. In some places, there are gems or minerals in the soil. People use water to get them. To find gold, people put soil into a round object called pan. When they wash the pan with water, gold will stay in the pan, others will float away, so they can find gold easily. That's the end of 2 part I want to tell you. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.